Hi, we're going to show you how to replace the screen on a Dell laptop computer. It's a pretty simple process. It shouldn't take more than about 10 minutes or so. The first thing is to find so that this is what holds the screen onto the laptop. So you carefully find a space where you can insert a finger, but the screen needs to be replaced. So we got one from screencountry.com and we're going to replace it now. I think that's it. Okay, for step number 2 you need a basic Phillips screwdriver and you need to find the 4 screws, 1, 2, 3 and 4 at the bottom, and unscrew them carefully again. There you go, it's a pretty easy process. The last one. Okay, there you go. So that's step 2. Okay, so step 3 is pulling the screen off. And be careful again. And just, sorry. So you want to place it on top of the keyboard without pulling it away.
To pull that.
Okay, because this right here, this is the connector. So you want to be careful exactly not to damage the connector. There's a piece of tape here that you have to pull up carefully to disconnect the screen from the laptop. So carefully pulling the tape like this and then pull in the direction of, so backward basically like that, so not to damage the connector, and it's disconnected right now. So we take the old screen away, here it is, okay, and then we grab the new one, which is back here.
Sometimes on new screens they'll have a peel tab too. So you can peel that off.
Let's peel this off. We don't need to do that right now, but voila.
And just repeat the steps in reverse order.
So here's the connector, as you can see.
So just lay it down.
Lay it down on top of the keyboard.
Right, there's the connector.
And reconnect. Okay, so you need to find the place where it connects, which is right here.
Should be underneath the connector a little bit.
Push it in. Okay, I'm having a hard time here finding it. There you go. Got it.
And then just stick it on again.
Stick it on the way it was before. And now repeat the process backwards. So I put the new screen in place and I'm going to screw it back on. That's number 1. And 4. And then the last step and easiest is to put the cover back in place.
So first you should hook these bottom pieces in.
The bottom pieces, these 2 sides, and then again find the little pegs. Okay, so the final thing to do is to make sure that everything works. So cross fingers, push the power button, and hope for the best. There you go. It's working. Let's see. Okay, so the whole thing probably took about 10 minutes, maybe a little less than that, and it doesn't require any major skills. as you can see, it works perfectly fine. It's actually better quality than the original one. So, easy process. Anyone can do it. All you need in terms of tools is a basic screwdriver and a little bit of care to make sure that you don't break anything. Hope it's helpful.